Hi, Godspeed. Welcome into my channel. I started this channel especially because I discovered something that is shocking. It is shocking indeed, but it is not shocking what I'm saying. It is shocking what Earth believe until this hour. It's hard and hard to understand what I discovered. So that's why I studied some letters towards space agencies. I made one for NASA, for Roscosmos, for Chinese National Space Agency. This is for JAXA, especially because I believe that it is hard to understand, and if somebody has the mind to understand me, some of these agencies guys could have the mind to understand what I'm saying, because this is weird indeed, but is nonetheless true. So I don't have nothing to gain. I am sincere, and I discovered this. Nobody listens exactly. So I don't have anything to gain, money or something. I just want to tell this to the entire planet, and it's hard what I'm saying. That's why maybe you will not understand. Maybe you will. Okay, so that's why I started this. So that's why I started this list towards space agencies. I'm telling you that you will be told that the galaxies are gravitational systems. If you work at these agencies, or if you know astronomy, they said that the stars are identical with our sun, and around these stars they could be planets, and many of these kind of stars constitute a galaxy. A galaxy that if each point, individual point, is a star like our sun, so many gatherings of the suns like our sun make a galaxy. But I'm telling you, were tricked, and they were tricking the entire planet. Gravity is force equal mass time acceleration. Newton did not make a bigger fuss. You put g and the acceleration of the planet, and there exists not only this kind of rotational gravity, okay? So if you do not have this gravity, means to rotate, you do not have a rotational system. So they were tricking themselves that these are gravitational systems. These galaxies are not gravitational systems. They are not. And they are tricking themselves that each point is like our sun. This is not true. In 1300s, there was identified wrong the stars with the sun. You see, not each of these point of light, it is a sun. They identified wrongly. I filmed this on darkness for you to understand what I want to tell you. Our galaxy is a sphere. We cannot see the universe, and the sphere is void only inside. What you are see black in the pictures are the stars. They are simply matter that is not illuminated. You see, this installation has not power to, if I put to you, I film it on darkness to reveal only a near vicinity. Even that it is light is absorbed on every material. So they are tricking themselves, and that inside our solar system there is void. So there is void at the stars. And the second trick is that they identified with gravitational systems. this galaxy has not gravitational systems. I know that it's hard. That's why maybe somebody has a little bit of mind left on this earth. I started towards all the space agencies. So this is for JAXA. If you are hearing me, everybody who has left some piece of mind intact, believe me, our galaxy is the only body that we can see. The galaxies are put like this because our galaxy is surrounded by black clouds of matter. Like black clouds of matter, of hydrogen, oxygen mainly. But like in a cloud on the sky when it rains, there is many, in a cloud of rain there is much electromagnetic light. So in similar manner the stars are cumulus like this, put in like exactly like this at the border of our galaxy. And our galaxies has only one day with the speed of light. So if you go from Earth to the stars, it's only one day. They are tricking you. You cannot see billion trillions of years. They are tricking you. You see, light diminishes with distance. And there are two kinds of telescope. With lens like this, you cannot see only one day with the speed of light. From a mathematical point of reasoning, lensing reasoning, to have a telescope, you must have two lenses, like a small one and a bigger one, to make some magnification. And I'm telling you, you cannot see only 26 billion kilometers. By the time of Newton, they were make this long telescopes, like 10 meters long. And Newton said that it is not just because the lenses do not have the property to see only one day. They were making them long. And the Newton come and said, let's put a mirror and to catch the image and multiply it afterwards. Because they were starting to make, search some history, you will see that I'm not telling lies, okay? They were make telescopes like 10 meters long. And I'm telling you why. We cannot see only one day with the speed of light. So if you are identify each piece like this with our sun is big and has flames. You must have obligatory reason to say that there is far and this are far one from another because our sun is big. But I'm telling you it is wrong. In 1300s was the stars were identified with our sun. Believe me or not, I don't have anything to gain. I just want to tell this for the entire earth, okay? I don't need money, I need nothing. I discovered this and it is so pity and a sin that entire will believe this. You will go to the schools in Japan, in Asia, and you will believe that you are stupid because you could not understand false reasoning and false science. And I'm telling you right science, our galaxy is a sphere. Only void inside, like this globe, of Christmas globe, is void only inside. In the middle is the solar system. Copernicus put the sun in the middle. And it is in the middle of this sphere. Our galaxy is not a spiral, it is a sphere surrounded by clouds, and the galaxies are exactly like on this globe, on the outside putting clouds of matter, many hydrogen, oxygen clouds. They extract light from there. There is electromagnetic field that circulates from the pole to the pole, and they are ignited at this. We cannot see the universe, and these galaxies are simply pieces like this. In the old times, they did not need to produce light only with flames. And our sun has flames. That's why wrongly they identify the stars with. But there is light without flames. The thunder clouds produce lightning, and we produce now light. You see that it is not burning. So I'm telling you, the stars are small, cold, and they are put in clouds of hydrogen, oxygen clouds. Like you are putting lanterns, that Chinese lanterns that you put on water and you see, watch them go. You see, this in this way, in this manner, the stars are put like in water, hydrogen, oxygen. It's unbelievable, not what I'm saying. You will understand that gravity is not attraction. It is circular constant force of rotation. And I'm telling you, you will take your children and send them to school, and you will believe that they are stupid, because you cannot study and learn false logic. And I'm telling you, I don't have anything to gain. Why you will not believe me? So I discovered this light diminishes with distance. I just proved to you. Look, you see? And our galaxy is a sphere voided inside the solar system with all the planets and asteroids and the sun. And on the border there are galaxies like this, and the galaxies are simply stars. Stars, they are not gravitational system like the solar system is. They're simply clouds and that contain pieces like this, and you can see them in the picture. They are not colliding, there is not expansion. The Big Bang is false, the Doppler shift is false. The light does not stretch and does not make red. When you put it, does not become red. There are some holes in the spectrum, and that holes they are interpreted wrong. The holes in the spectrum of light, any light, makes holes. So that spectrum it is interpreted wrong. Doppler dude light in 1850 that the light becomes red from distance, does not. And all these are maintaining this current day. We cannot see the universe. It is shocking or not, JAXA dudes, maybe you will understand me. I made this letter towards JAXA. Our galaxy is a sphere, 24-hour sphere with the speed of light. And the galaxies, and we cannot see beyond this sphere. Believe me or not, I'm telling you the truth. Maybe somebody will see my videos and will understand. Okay, goodbye. I don't have anything to gain. I didn't start this to gain something, but I'm telling you the truth. Do not send your children to school and to believe that they are stupid, because they will not, and they cannot, any reason and my logical mind cannot learn false science, and you'll believe that they are stupid, and you'll force them, and you force them, and they could not understand, because I'm telling you, you cannot see with this telescope only one day with the speed of light. The gravity is a rotation. It is acceleration 90 meters per second, and you must beat this with a vector, and this is all the physics that it is. Plus this is they invented it, and you'll believe that your children are stupid in this society, and you'll make the sin towards your children. I'm telling you, JAXA dude, what you will have to gain to maintain lies that were invented in 1400s and 1700s. What? By some Europeans and some dudes from NASA and some dudes they are maintaining this. I'm telling you, you cannot put only one day in a mirror. You see, light diminishes with distance. Our galaxy is a sphere voided in star inside. And okay, goodbye. I've told you. This is my YouTube letter. Somebody maybe they will someday will watch them. Okay, goodbye. God bless.